Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is your Weather Extreme video for Saturday, May the 14th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters, and we have a bit of a stormy Friday, but not too bad, and some of us didn't get that much rain. Let's take a look at the Skycam imagery this morning, and there's a shot from the downtown Birmingham camera on the Daniel Building, and we're looking out towards Red Mountain, and you can see we do have some clouds. Not too many clouds visible at Demopolis over in the west central part of the state. They have cleared out nicely, but wraparound clouds are going to be an issue. And sort of a transition area going on at Prattville. We can see the clouds off to the southeast, but we can also see a little peak of blue sky. The culprit in the rain has been a cold front that is moving through the area this morning with the surface low up over the Ohio River Valley, and that is moving off to the northeast. In the upper atmosphere, we're dealing with a huge closed low centered over, well, I don't know, pick a spot up there, Iowa, Illinois. And because of the various lobes around that thing, we do have some small chances for rain, but I think for the most part, we're going to stay dry for the next several days, although, like I say, we could see some small chances. Temperatures across the eastern half of the country have climbed very nice. Remember, these are like 5 a.m. temperatures, so we're looking at 60s all the way up to the eastern Great Lakes, which is kind of amazing. A little bit chillier in the Rockies, where they're down into the 30s, but very few freezing reports. As a matter of fact, according to the red line there that indicates 32, Canada is the only spot with any actual freezing temperatures, and certainly no freezing temperatures in central Alabama, but you're going to wake up to a little bit drier air here a little bit later today, so it's going to be a beautiful day to get out. Again, we may have some clouds, but still a beautiful day temperature-wise and humidity-wise. The showers and thunderstorms that prompted a few warnings yesterday for severe thunderstorm conditions are now out into the Gulf and stretching up into northern Georgia. But again, those are out of our hair, and it looks like a beautiful day and a beautiful weekend, as a matter of fact. The quantitative precipitation forecast, or QPF, is actually very low for us for the next 5 days, and I think that's kind of right on the money here, but I think it's about Monday we have some chance for some showers, but fairly small chances at that. Storm Prediction Center outlooking a slight risk for severe from the outer banks of North Carolina, across much of North Carolina, and a little bit of South Carolina into the Ohio River Valley. And, of course, that is where the main focus is right now for severe weather possibilities. Okay, how about the 06Z GFS model run? And here's our surface low up over the Ohio River Valley. And, of course, a good deal of chances for rain on the eastern seaboard all the way up into the Great Lakes. But as far as us, I think we're going to stay dry. Again, we may see some clouds. There's the upper closed low on Sunday, and of course it's in the vicinity, so we have to be a little bit cautious, and we're watching for little impulses to rotate around that closed low, but for the most part I think Sunday's going to be another beautiful day. Again, we'll see some clouds more than likely, but I think it's also some peaks at the sun. The closed low opens up on Monday, but it's still fairly deep, which means we're going to be nice and cool, which is not too hard to enjoy. The closed low actually deepens and digs down all the way to North Florida, according to the GFS, by Tuesday. And that, of course, is we don't have a huge northwesterly flow, but certainly that is bringing in some cooler air, and you can see that with the thicknesses. We got a surface low up over the Carolinas, the Carolina coast there. And so once again, I think our main threat is going to come on Monday for some small rain chances. Again, the showers being mostly scattered. That closed low pulls on out finally on Wednesday as we kind of come under weak high pressure between the two systems, and you can see that deepening system over the Rockies. That system takes hold and helps to kick that first system out. So the second system over the Texas Panhandle comes our way, and with that we're going to see a surface low forming in the just in the lee of the Rockies, and that brings some rain chances, especially to Texas and Oklahoma on Thursday. By Friday, the flow has gotten very complex here, but we have a closed low over Kansas, and that closed low, of course, being helping to generate precipitation. So Friday, we may have another shot at some precipitation as the low begins to pull out to the northeast, and with that, we do see some chances for rain on Saturday, but I think by Sunday into the weekend, we'll probably be improving our situation. The flow becomes much more zonal when we get out into voodoo country with these little impulses, and we can see one of those impulses right there over Alabama with the little X over about, in the vicinity of Muscle Shoals on Tuesday the 24th, and that will give us another shot at a little bit of rain, but we stay fairly dry for most of the days in between until we get to around the 28th, and then a fairly strong short wave is moving through the flow, but that short wave is centered quite a bit further north, which means we'll have some chance for showers and rain, but not certainly anything that's very significant. Well, I appreciate you tuning into the Weather Xtreme video for this Saturday. Hope that you get a chance to come on out to the Buck Creek Festival. We'll be down there at the Buck Creek Festival in Old Town Helena all day, and just some great entertainment. We had wonderful entertainment last night. We got our headliner tonight. Mustang Sally will be there. I believe that it's she comes on around 8:15, and if you've never seen her show, man, it is something to watch. It is really good. They're great musicians, and they're driving in from Texas today to play here in Helena. Hope you get a chance to come down to the Buck Creek Festival. In the meantime, I hope that you also have a great day, whatever it is that you do, and Godspeed.
Sprinkle up some fun at the 13th Annual Buck Creek Festival in Old Town Helena's Amphitheater Park.
Join us May 13th and 14th for live music, food, arts and crafts, and the rubber duck race.
Deputy 5 and Mustang Sally highlight the festival. See you there!